Jamie plans to spend $24 on apples and oranges at the food market. The graph below shows the possible combinations of apples and oranges he could purchase. The question is, what is the price of 1 pound of apple? So, this line represents the possible combinations of apples and oranges. Let's say if we look at this coordinate right here, which is 3, 2, Jamie can spend $24 for 3 apples and 2 oranges. Does that make sense? Since the question is the price of 1 pound of apple, the coordinate you might want to see is this coordinate right here, right? This is 6, 0, which means he can spend $24 for 6 apples and 0 oranges, right? If 6 apples cost $24, what is the price for 1 apple? I mean 1 pound of apple. That's going to be $4, right? So the answer is $4.